y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, I will be installing this wig that I recently got from Arabella hair. This is the bag that my wig came in, and they also do provide you with a free gift bag. On the inside you can find some lashes, an edge brush, a melt band, and also some stocking caps. Basically everything that you'll be needing to lay down your wig. This wig is their 613 blonde highlight wig, and I did choose mine in a straight texture. It is a 13x4 lace front wig. Also, it does come with the adjustable straps in the back there, and also an extra elastic band for extra security. Now, this wig, I believe on your website you do have the option to choose between a straight texture or a body wave. Again, I did go with the straight. Off rip, the hair feels absolutely amazing. The hair texture is very soft and silky. I can run my fingers through this hair with no issues. There's very little to no shedding at all when it comes to this wig, and I absolutely love that. Based on the fact that it is blonde hair, I was expecting a little bit more shedding, but to my surprise, it was nothing crazy. The only issue that I may have with this wig is the fact that it did not come pre-plucked for me. So this is one of those units that you will definitely have to go in and do a bit of plucking just to get a very natural and seamless install. Me, on the other hand, I really did not pluck too much hair. So honestly, you guys, this was not one of my best installs, just based on the fact that I did need to go in and pluck this hair some more. But for the sake of this video, I did the best that I can, and yeah, let's get into it. First thing that I'm doing is just going in and perfecting that parting space, making sure that it's extra straight. Then I'm just taking my hot comb, flattening it down, then taking some concealer and just highlighting the parting space. Then I'm sectioning off the hair in the front, the ones that I'll be using to create the baby hairs. Like I said, you will have to go in and pluck some hair, so I'm just separating those that I'll be using to create the baby hairs and plucking them. And to lay down my wig, I am using the Ebin One Delay Spray. This one is the black bottle. It gives you such a strong hold, you guys. I absolutely love this. It's like my go-to spray when it comes to laying down my wigs. After that, I'm just taking my scissors and cutting off the excess lace before I go ahead and spray it once more before applying my melt band. After I go back in with that spray once more, now I'm going to take my melt band that came with my wig, and I'm just going to wrap it up for about 2 to 5 minutes and let that melt. Then I'm just taking my hot combing the hair, making sure that it's super flat. Then I don't know why I was in a rush to remove my melt band so quick, but probably like a minute and a half and I took it off. And as you guys can see, the ends were not properly laid, so I did have to just cover those with baby hairs at the end. It looks crazy right now. Like I said, this was definitely not one of my best installs, but the hair itself nonetheless looked so good that I honestly did not care. Here I am just laying down the baby hairs, and I definitely had to add those side swoops at the ear tabs area because yeah, the lace was just not given. I definitely would have to add foundation to the entire lace itself, or just really pluck it to get a really natural look. But honestly, you guys, the hair itself on this unit is amazing. I was honestly really impressed at how little this hair sheds. Also, it does not get tangled so well, and I got so many compliments on the hair color itself. The hair color is such a beautiful color. It's the grayish brown is just so beautiful, and the color is honestly well blended. As you guys can see, even after I turn around, the hair looks absolutely amazing, and it feels even 10 times better. So yeah, my install does not look the best, but the hair itself is definitely given. If I was to rate this hair itself out of 10, I would definitely give it a 9.5, only because the wig itself, the lace, did not come pre-plucked, and I felt like I would have to go in and do a good amount of plucking just to get a really natural install. And you guys know I'm all for an eco-friendly wig, which means a wig that already comes pre-plucked for me that has very minimal work. Nonetheless, I do think this is a really beautiful unit and I definitely enjoyed it. I received so many compliments on it. And the hair is true to length. I'm not exactly sure what density this is, but I know I did get mine in a 22-inch. I would say the density is between like 150 to 180 density, but the hair is very full and nice, which I do appreciate. And also it is true to length. So although it is a colored unit, you're definitely getting what you're paying for. It is an absolutely beautiful unit and I highly recommend it. Again, just be mindful that you will have to go in and do some work when it comes to the lace. But overall, this is the wig and I absolutely love it. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the hair, the color, all that. And let me know what kind of videos that you guys would like to see next from me, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Also, everything that you guys need to know on this wig will be linked down below. Bye.
You're watching Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, Kayla D, Caribbean Queen, beauty, fashion.